Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn about the 10 weird JavaScript facts. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first one, that is plus an empty array is actually 0. Yes, an empty array coalesced into a number becomes 0. Let's put this into console and see what's the result. So it's 0. Why? Let's have a look. Why? Am- Empty array coheres to empty string. Okay, so this will act as a empty string, and plus with empty string coheres to 0. Okay, so this is what the result is 0. Who needs percent when you have the empty brackets, right? Next we have the void operator secret power. It returns a value. It doesn't return a value. It evaluates and discards. So if I go with this one, let's see what it gonna print it. It's hello, right? Logs hello and returns undefined. Okay, returns undefined. Use case forces an expression to return undefined, especially in old school hacks or the bookmarklets. Okay, functions can have the properties. Okay, functions are the objects. You can give them properties like this. Great dot language English. Think of this as giving your functions personality traits. Okay, so here we go with this one. So here you can see that the function, here we have the function and return the value that is hello. And here the greet dot language. So here you can see the functions are objects. You can give them properties. Okay. So think of this as giving your functions personality traits, right? Null is an object, but it should not be. Okay. So let's take a look that null is an object or what? Type of null, and it's an object. Okay, this is a bug from early JavaScript days, and fixing it would break legacy code. It's like a typo that becomes the part of the grammar. The proto performance trap. Yes, it works, but it slows everything down. Okay, so here we go with this one. So here we have the object and the prototype. Here you can see. So the use of object set prototype of instead or what dynamic property changes altogether. Okay, so use object dot set property type rather than this. Okay, the global object mystery in browsers window in Node.js it's global, in modules no direct global. Okay, enter the global this, the universal global object global this. Okay, so let's take a look. So reference array global is not defined. Okay, so what it says, if I print like this global this, the true in the browser and the true in node. Okay, this one. JavaScript numbers like are kinda fake. So 0.1 0.8 equal to this, it turns false. This happens due to the IEEE 754 floating point math. Never trust JS for financial math without proper rounding. Okay, default parameters have their own scope. So default parameters have their own scope, right? So yes, here we have the function. Let me just reload this. Syntax error redeclaration of the formal x node previously declared at a line number 1. Okay, so here you can see that error as x is already declared. Here you can see that. So yes, default parameter scope is separate from the function body scope. Okay, so default parameters have their own scope. With, it's a time travel trap. Okay, so it extends the scope dynamically but sounds cool until your code is impossible to debug. So what it is with, it's a time travel trap. Okay, so here what's the output of this? So it's one with undefined. Okay, it extends the scope dynamically, which sounds cool until your code is impossible to debug. Modern best practice, don't use it ever. Okay, comments can break JavaScript. Treated as comment, and console.log syntax error in Node.js. Seriously? Let's use this. Old style HTML comments like this and treated differently in the browsers versus Node.js. Never mix HTML and the JS comment styles. It's a recipe for the weird bugs. Okay, so here we have, let's add it. If I syntax error in the Node.js, so I need to go with the Node.js. Okay, you can just try it out. This one, like exactly it happens that syntax error, and this is treated as a comment. Okay, and the entire JavaScript is invented in the just 10 days in 995. That explains a lot. So these are the 10 weird JavaScript facts that make you say, what? Wait. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.